The AI arms race accelerating at warp speed right now. Semiconductor sector remains red hot in April 2026, propelled by relentless AI demand for training inference and emerging agentic workloads. Hyperscalers are pouring hundreds of billions into infrastructure. Agentic AI systems that don't just answer questions but act, reason, and automate like never before is skyrocketing. And right at the center of this once-in-a-generation revolution stand three semiconductor titans battling for dominance. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 stocks to buy right now. These aren't just chip plays. They're the foundational engines powering the future of intelligence itself. The momentum is building. The opportunity is massive. The urgency is real. If you're ready to ride this wave to new heights, smash that like button right now, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're diving deep into the latest financials, game-changing developments, and why these 3 could deliver explosive returns in 2026 and beyond. Let's go! Nvidia NVDA, the undisputed AI emperor fueling the explosion. Nvidia continues its breathtaking dominance in the AI revolution, turning in performance that defies gravity and leaves no doubt about its leadership position. In fiscal Q4 2026 ended January 2026, the company shattered records with $68.1 billion in revenue, up 73% year-over-year and 20% sequentially, easily beating estimates. Data center revenue, the powerhouse of its AI empire, exploded to a record $62.3 billion, surging 75% YOY and 22% QOQ, driven by massive shipments of Blackwell architecture GPUs, NVLink networking, and full-stack solutions. Full fiscal 2026 revenue hit an astonishing $215.9 billion, up 65% from the prior year. Non-GAAP EPS for the quarter reached $1.62, beating expectations, with GAAP net income soaring 94% to $43 billion. Gross margins remained robust around 75%. Recent developments underscore unstoppable momentum. Blackwell ramps are off the charts, with hyperscalers over 50% of data center revenue and diversified customers driving growth. Networking revenue alone hit records, fueled by NVLink fabrics for GB200/GB300 systems, Ethernet, and InfiniBand. CEO Jensen Huang has spotlighted the Agentic AI inflection, where AI agents demand even more compute, pushing adoption of full AI factories. As of April 2026, the stock has responded positively to sector AI enthusiasm, with analysts maintaining strong buy ratings and price targets often in the $275 plus range, some as high as $400, viewing Nvidia as the core long-term AI holding despite occasional volatility. Looking ahead, excitement builds around the upcoming Rubin platform and continued annual cadence of breakthroughs. Nvidia isn't merely riding the AI wave, it's architecting it with software, CUDA moat, hardware, and systems-level innovation. For investors seeking proven exponential growth in data center dominance, Nvidia stands as a cornerstone with massive upside as agentic and inference workloads scale globally. AMD, the aggressive challenger ramping fast with broad AI momentum. AMD is transforming from strong alternative to serious contender, posting record results while accelerating its AI, GPU, and CPU roadmap to capture meaningful share. In Q4 FY 2025 ended December 2025, AMD delivered record revenue of $10.3 billion, up 34% YOY, beating expectations. Non-GAAP EPS hit a record $1.53, well above estimates. Data center segment revenue surged to a record $5.4 billion, up 39% YOY, powered by EPYC processors, with 5th-gen Turin accounting for over half of server revenue and ramping Instinct MI350 series GPUs. Full year 2025 revenue reached a record $34.6 billion, also up 34%. With strong contributions from client, gaming, and data center growth. Key recent developments include accelerating MI350 deployments across 8 of the top 10 AI companies, broader neocloud adoption, and preparation for the H2 2026 rack scale inflection with MI450 next in the MI400 series, and the Helios platform featuring massive HBM for memory. Management reiterated confidence in a multi-year data center CAGR exceeding 60%, with AI revenue scaling to tens of billions in FI 2027. Q1 2026 guidance, around $9.8 billion midpoint, showed typical post-blowout moderation but still reflected solid underlying growth, including limited China MI308 sales. The software ecosystem, ROCM, continues improving, helping close the gap with competitors. In April 2026, AMD shares have participated strongly in the sector AI rally, often outperforming on relative valuation appeal and diversification potential. Analysts see it as a high-conviction play for investors wanting exposure beyond a single leader. With EPYC server share gains, competitive inference performance, and upcoming rack-scale solutions, AMD offers compelling growth at a potentially more attractive entry point for those betting on AI market expansion and healthy competition. Intel INTC, the high-conviction turnaround story igniting fresh momentum. Intel has been the most dramatic story among the three, but its Q1 2026 results, reported April 23, 2026, delivered a powerful earnings beat and guidance that sent shares surging dramatically, up 20-30% plus in after hours and continued strength into April 24th trading, even briefly surpassing dot-com era highs in some sessions. Revenue came in at $13.6 billion, up 7% YOY, and well above expectations of around $12.3 to $12.4 billion. Non-GAAP EPS hit 29 cents, crushing the near-zero consensus, while data center and AI revenue jumped 22% YOY to $5.1 billion. Intel Foundry revenue rose 16% to $5.4 billion, with external foundry contributing $174 million. Client computing held steady at $7.7 billion. This performance reflects CEO Lip-Butan's reset, disciplined execution, supply expansion, and positioning CPUs as essential for the next wave of AI, moving from foundational training to edge inference and agentic systems. Key positives include strong 18A process progress, high-volume manufacturing underway, yields ahead of schedule, first external customer tapeouts complete, with Panther Lake client chips in H2 2026. While GAAP results showed a net loss due to restructuring and impairments, the non-GAAP strength and Q2 guidance, $13.8 to $14.8 billion revenue, non-GAAP EPS $0.20 signals sustainable momentum. AI-related businesses now drive nearly 60% of revenue mix. Risks around execution and macro remain, but the asymmetric upside is clear. Successful 18A/14A ramps and U.S.-based manufacturing leadership, bolstered by CHIPS Act support, could diversify the supply chain and reward patient investors handsomely. In the current April 2026 environment of surging semiconductor sentiment and AI optimism, Intel represents one of the highest upside turnaround plays for risk-tolerant investors betting on manufacturing recovery and AI CPU relevance.